In high school, I was really interested and excelled in math and science and was always interested in medicine, but didn't know if I could quite commit.
My intent or purpose behind the medical field was direct patient care. And what MBP helped me realize is that, well, there's hundreds of people involved along that process.
Biotechnology intersects all fields: engineering, business, biology, public health. Whether you have a clear path of what you want to do, or you're coming in with a sense of uncertainty, the program is designed for everyone.
The Master of Biotechnology program at Northwestern is designed to provide our students with curriculum that touches every aspect of biotechnology. Whether you're interested in going to regulatory science and being involved in the policy development, doing bench research, working in the venture capital world and investing in entrepreneurs. All of those careers are possible with biotechnology, but they require a knowledge of both the biology as well as the engineering.
We teach bioprocess engineering to non-engineers. Also, we place a lot of emphasis on teaching students enabling skills. So I'm talking about critical thinking, I'm talking about creativity.
You have classes on how to think and how to debate with someone else. We have leadership management type classes where you learn how to work with other people.
We also have an optional internship part where they can actually go out and spend the time at a company.
There's so many different career paths that the students could go down, and they don't even know about them until they get the experience to liaise with some of the companies nearby.
The biggest change that's happening out there is digital transformation. With the amount of data collection that's possible now, with the amount of computational power that's possible, we're including that in our classes, in our labs. The students are equipped with the tools that's needed.
When you walk into a client meeting and you can tell them exactly the way that their product works, you have an instant credibility with them. And I think the bio knowledge and just the foundational research knowledge that you learn here helps you bridge that gap.
The program was transformative for me. It helped me find a career that suits my personality, suits my strengths. It was like there was a seed planted.
My favorite part of my role in the Master of Biotechnology program is interacting with the students and watching them grow. It just is so incredible to see not only what they go and do, but the people they become and all of the people they're able to impact with their work.